Number 9. Take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, select your desired screen and click Windows and Print Screen button, and it will take a screenshot and it will save that screenshot in your picture and then screenshot folder. Here, as you can see, this is the screenshot we took by clicking Windows plus Print Screen button. Number 10 is Snip Tool. So let's say you want to take a screenshot of the desired or specific part of the screen. For that, you need to click Windows, Shift and S. After that, Snip Tool will be opened. After that, you will have some options to take the snapshot or screenshot of the full screen or the just the selective part. So let's say we want to take a random screenshot of this screen, then we will select it, and after that it will give us the option to save it. We need to click on it, then you have the option to save it. Click on the save icon and it will be saved in the device. That's all guys. If you want more such videos, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Goodbye.